In this video, let's talk about column constraints, specifically the not now constraint. Let's go to our SQL Management Studio here, and let's look at what we have done with the SQL statement. Previously, when we create tables, we were using the table name, and then we specify the column name followed by the data type. Another column name followed by the data type. Actually, after the data type, we can add another thing, which is called column constraint. Column constraints are rules that apply to the values of a single column, right? It limits the possibilities of the data in the column. Because we didn't add any column constraint, so none of the column actually have any constraint. And because of this, when we try to add data, let's say for this record, I put in 100 kilogram, and then the price is $19.99. When I click out, SQL Server accepts this record. But this record does not make sense because we don't know which product has 100 kilogram and the $19.99 for the price. At least we need to specify the name of the product. To do that, when we create a table, we can specify the not now constraint right after the data type of the column. In this case, the column name can no longer accept null value. Right? Null value means value not provided. Let's drop the table and recreate it. In order to see the data again, let's close this and right click on the table and edit it again. Now let's recreate the same scenario. Weight is 100 kilo, price is $19.99. Now if I try to click out, immediately see the error window here. So no row is added into database. It says insert fails. And what is the reason? It says cannot insert value null into column name, right? Because the column name does not accept null anymore. Let's click OK and add beef as the product name. Now, if I click out, you can see that it accepts the data, and the data actually makes sense. At least now we know that it is beef that has 100 kilogram, and the price is $19.99. Perhaps the category needs to be also enforced. So let's add not now to category. Description, that's fine. We don't have to have description. Perhaps we don't have to have weight. Price, when the product is just inserted into the table, we don't know the price yet. We don't have to insert the price. So therefore, we don't have to add the not now constraint. Launch date, some of the products' launch date are unknown. That's acceptable as well. At least we need to have these two columns that have the not now column constraint. Okay, that's everything I want to cover in this video. I'll see you in the next one.